channel. So in this video, let's discuss top 3 business accounting and taxation courses in Nagpur that offers 100% placement guarantee as well. So our first and the topmost institute to learn business accounting and taxation courses, IIM Skills, because of their dedicated placement cell and the money refund policy. Apart from this, their course duration is just 4 months and they also provide 1 month of paid internship. And in their course, you get a practical exposure to all of the modules like SAP, accounting, taxation, and Excel, etc. It is an online training program, so if you're a working professional or anyone who is looking for the online courses, then you can learn this course from the pace of your home only. And they also provide you dedicated LMS in which you can access all of their pre-recording material, the course, the syllabus, anything. For the lifetime. Now talking about the fees of this course is quite affordable because it is only 34,900 plus taxes, in which you get all of the study material and the online platform as well. And they also have a dedicated placement cell in which they guarantee you a job, and if they fail to get you placed, they will refund. Now coming to the next institute we have is EduPristine, and it is another very good institute to learn business accounting and taxation course because they have both offline and online classes available for the students. They also covers all of the basic modules of the course and they have expert trainers for their students as well. And coming to their fees is 80,000 plus taxes, which is a bit higher than the last one. So it's up to you. If you want an offline course for the business accounting and taxation, then you can go with EduPristine as well. Now the last one we have is TIPA, which is tipa.com, and it is an online institute for the business accounting and taxation course. They also have diplomas available for the students who want to learn more deeply about the business accounting, and the fees is somewhere approx 50,000 plus taxes, in which they also guarantee the placement as well. So in this video, I have given the top 3 institutes where you can learn business accounting and taxation course, and also given the links of these institutes in the description box where you can just go and check out. So if you are still facing any doubts, just feel free to comment below, but my only suggestion to you is to take the demos of this institute first and then select any right institute for you. Meanwhile, if you like this video, just don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye and happy learning.